Every bank, insurer, and payment app in this country answers to one institution. And it has been quietly rewriting what is expected from them. If you're anywhere in onshore finance, this is a rule maker you cannot ignore. Welcome back to Friday Frameworks. Today we're going to talk about CBUAE, the Central Bank of the UAE. It is a federal regulator and monetary authority for onshore finance. It licenses and supervises banks, Islamic banks, finance companies, exchange houses, insurers, payment providers, and fintech. Think of it as the referee for all the money that moves on the UAE mainland. Any onshore mainland financial institute, banks, insurers, exchange houses, payments, and fintech firms. The key word is onshore. If you operate inside the DIFC or ADGM free zones, you answer to a very different regulator, and we will cover those in next episodes. Everywhere else in UAE, finance is the central bank. Why it matters? Banks are critical national infrastructure and the number one cyber target. So the central bank doesn't just care that you're solvent, it cares that you're resilient. And the consequences of getting it wrong aren't a slap on the wrist. Comprehensive examinations, fines, and even losing your license. This is the existential, not administrative task. What is expected? Beyond the financial basics, capital, AML, consumer protection, three things stand out for a modern business. 1. Operational resilience. Can you keep critical services running and recover when something breaks? Number 2. Outsourcing and third-party risk. A board-approved policy, an outsourcing register, and a hard rule that your core system of record and customers' confidential data stays inside the UAE unless the central bank approves otherwise. Number 3. Cyber and incident reporting. A real cyber risk framework, and you notify the central bank promptly when something material happens. Where to start? 2 moves. First, build your outsourcing and third-party register. Most firms can't even list who touches their data. Second, pressure test recovery. If your core system went down tomorrow, could you restore them cleanly and fast? That's the question examiners are really asking. Where this gets hard in practice is exactly what providing resilience and recovery, and keeping data where the regulator demands. That's the kind of work my team does. Want the CBUAE essentials on one page? Please comment map and I will send you the one-pager. Next week, we'll cover DIFC's own regulator, the DFSA, same industry, a completely different rule book. I'll see you then.